When you're running meta ads, it's super important to remember the single most important thing in your ad itself, which is what is it that's going to stop somebody from scrolling? Because we're in an interruption network. This is pattern interruption. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to interrupt their scroll. And the number one thing that interrupts somebody's scroll is the visual. It's actually the image that captures their eye. And it doesn't matter if you have a video or an image ad. It's the thumbnail or the image that's going to stop the scroll. And so many times people say, well, what should I be testing first? Should I be testing the headline? Should I be testing the primary copy? Should I be testing image or video? You have to test all of those things. But let's assume that you got to the point where your audiences are locked in, your copy's locked in, you've done image testing, it's locked in, and now we typically take the best performing copy and we turn it into a video to see if the video version of that copy will help us engage more with our people. The mistake that I often see marketers make is that they'll just throw a talking head video like this up with the best performing audiences and the best performing copy, and it won't convert nearly the same way. And they just assume it's the video. Maybe it's the production value, maybe it's the person's face. And what they've failed to actually realize is that they didn't leverage what they learned before. They didn't take their best 2 or 3 performing images and test them as thumbnails on that video so that they could leverage that previously gathered data. So what I recommend that you do is actually test your best performing audiences, your best performing copy, and your new video. Have it be version 1 with the talking head like this, but then duplicate it. Choose one of your best performing previous images, test it with that, duplicate it again, take one of your other best performing images, and leverage the work that you've already done. And I guarantee you, it's going to help your click-throughs.